after I watched Reema and Megan's fight, I'm like, you know what? Now I'm gonna go confront Julie. Because if she thought she was gonna get off the hook by disrespecting me, it wasn't gonna happen.
Do you recall stuff when saying stuff about me while I was sleeping? Do you recall anything? Like, I'm just asking you because you're a guy girl. If you don't want to get in the middle, don't worry.
I know.
So then don't worry.
Okay, Julie. Her fat ass would be by the fridge in the microwave, trying to eat as usual.
While I was sleeping, I heard you saying the girl was sleeping.
Bitch, I don't like you.
And bitch, I don't like you neither.
Get on my face. So all of a sudden, this little chihuahua like pops off and is in my face being like,
What are you gonna do about it? Nothing. So shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
and I'm like, get out of my face. So I literally like five finger her. I'm like, hello, let me introduce my hand to your face. I'm in your
Look at your hand on the floor, bitch. Look at your face.
My face so cute, bitch.
Bitch, you so fat.